Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up Lendingclub with budgeting apps like Monarch Money. Budgeting apps like Monarch Money helps you to see all of your finances in one place, and connecting your Lendingclub account can make tracking even smoother. By synchronizing, you can automatically view your balances, transactions, and loan activities without needing to log in separately. To get started, open the Monarch Money app and go to the Accounts or Connections section. Choose Add Accounts and then search for Lendingclub in the list of supported financial institutions. Select it and then sign in with your Lendingclub's online banking credentials through the secure integration powered by Plaid. This process uses encryptions to protect your login details while linking your accounts. Once connected, your Lendingclub transactions and balances will update automatically within Monarch Money. You can then categorize your spendings, track loan repayments, and compare progress towards saving goals. Many users find this integration especially useful for monitoring both everyday checking activities and loan obligations in one dashboard. If you prefer not to link directly, you can also export Lendingclub statements and upload them manually to Monarch Money. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.